Good. Jordan Masgiri. Jordan Masgiri. Jordan Masgiri. Turn the free.
எந்த பக்கம்ண்ணா அந்த பக்கம் போயிடு எல்லாரும் இந்த பக்கமே நீ அந்த கடைசியில் போயிடு ஸோ
Pitch. Knee. So. Knee. So. Knee. So. Pitch. Knee. So. Sir! Pitch. Knee. Shoot!
महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम् महादेवसुतं गुरुमुखविनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिम्.
Guest of this Sports Day function of BID to Sri S. Paneerselvam, the Superintendent of Police, Erode District. Respected President of this function, Sri B. Saravanan, the Managing Director of Banariaman Sugars and Trustee of BIT. My dear Principal Dr. Shanmugam, senior officers from Banariaman Sugars and other invitees who have come here, members of the faculty, my dear student friends, and all the guests who are here. Very good evening to all of you, and I take great pleasure in welcoming you to this Sports Day function of BIT 2012. At the outset, let me extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest, the Superintendent of Police of Erode District, to S. Paneerselvam. Sri Paneerselvam is an outstanding officer and more than that, a great human being. We had the pleasure of interacting with him in an earlier function at BIT, where he was a chief guest when we were having a function for school children from across Tamil Nadu who just conducted over here. And it's a pleasure to welcome him again to our campus. The idea of bringing IPS officers, IAS officers to as chief guests here is to motivate and inspire you to be leaders of the future. One single person can make a whole difference, and if we can go around in Erode without troubles and tribulations, and you know the kind of things that are happening in society today, it's because of men like our chief guest, role models in inculcating problem-solving abilities, and in truly being contributors to this society. So in that sense, it's a pleasure to have him with us. I want to once again extend them a very warm welcome. My dear student friends, I am very delighted to see the enthusiasm that you are all exhibiting today towards the sports day function. As I was walking inside the campus today, I was seeing these little posters that were saying like, who's going to be the outstanding sports person of the day kind of thing. There was a beautiful column in the form of an athlete. There's one over there in front, and there's one in front of the college. The various events that we've been witnessing, the tug of war, the finals of the 100 meters, the march past, a testament to your spirit and the celebratory mood in which you are conducting this event. You have made us proud of your achievements. In academics, in competitions, awards, you are all second to none. In fact, I'm very happy to say that as we are standing here today, CII Coimbatore zone is conducting a program called Innovate Award. And BIT is getting a special award called the Spirit of Innovation Award, because we have given more projects than any other institution in South India. And that is a testament of your ability, and my congratulations to you for that. We are going from strength to strength. Next weekend, the mock accreditation for ME programs and MBA for the new accreditation system for engineering colleges in India is happening on our campus. It's a singular honor. For BE, they did it in PSG. For ME, MBA, they're doing it in our campus. They generally select outstanding institutions to do a trial of the accreditation process before publishing it. That is a testament to where we are today, and the success goes to all of you, the students and faculty members of BIT. As leaders, in using your brains and your mind, you are also, I'm happy to say, leaders in the field of sports, as will be shown by the annual report on sports, which Professor Natarajan is going to read very soon. From my side and from the management side, we encourage you to use all the sports facilities available to the maximum. We are ever on the lookout for creating more facilities for your relaxation and fitness, as holistic development is the mantra of this institution. In this year, we have brought in the new boys gym, and at this time, I'm quite happy to say that probably this year, we will have a virtual gaming facility. Most probably we'll do it for the girls first. Right now gaming in terms of why Nintendo, why and all this other, where you can actually have virtual sports using the multimedia, and I think it's both sports as well as great fun. So we are most probably going to introduce that facility for women first, and if everything works out well, for men also within the next 1 year. I'm very happy to say that we're going to do that. I don't think any other institution has done anything like that so far. Overall, we are extremely happy with your performance. Let me congratulate all the participants. It's the spirit of participation that matters. As much as those 3 gentlemen who went up for the 100 meters race winning, the guy who was hamstrung and who was very gamely jogging in the end to make sure he reaches the finals, embodies the spirit of sportsmanship and BIT. Please keep this up, and I'm sure you'll all reach great heights. Let me congratulate the PD and his team of people for really maintaining this ground extremely well, for doing a great job in organizing this function. And my congratulations to all the karatekas who performed very well and who inspired us with their performance. With this, it gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you once again to this function. Thank you very much.
Please, Paneerselvam, IPS, Superintendent of Police, Erode District, our trustee, Shri B. Saravanan, Director, Dr. S.K. Sundaraman, Principal, Dr. A. Shanmugam, learned members of faculty, special invitees, distinguished guests, members of the press and media, non-teaching staff, beloved students, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It gives me immense pleasure to present the 16th annual sports report of the college for the academic year 2011-2012. I take pride in stating that our college achieved the second place in the overall games and sports for the year 2011-2012 among the Anna University of Technology Coimbatore 5, which comprised 31 colleges. Our college men's football and handball team secured gold medal in the Anna University of Technology Coimbatore 5 intercollegiate tournaments. Our men's team of hockey, tennis, badminton, and kabaddi secured silver medal in the Anna University of Technology Coimbatore zonal tournament held at various venues. Men's team of basketball, table tennis, chess, and cricket secured bronze medal in the Anna University of Technology Coimbatore Zonal Tournament. Our women table tennis team secured gold medal. Ball badminton won the silver. Basketball and badminton team secured bronze medal in the Anna University of Technology Coimbatore Zonal Tournaments. At this juncture, I would like to highlight that our men's athletic team secured the overall runner-up in the Anna University of Technology Coimbatore Zone Zonal Athletic Meet, which include 1 gold, 4 silver and 6 bronze medals. The athletes who brought laurels to the institute are Mr. M. Samidurai of 4th BE CSE, Mr. V. Gugan of 3rd BTech TT, Mr. D. Saranyan of 2nd BE Civil, Mr. M. Aravind of 2nd BE Civil, Mr. M. Prabhakaran of 2nd BE Aero, Mr. K. Rajiv of 3rd BE ECE, Mr. R. Nivas of 3rd BTech TT, and Mr. R. Gokulraj of 1st BTech IT. The women athletic team secured overall 3rd place in the Anna University of Technology Coimbatore Zonal Athletic Meet, which include 2 silver and 7 bronze medals. The athletes are Ms. D. Divya of 4th BE CSE, Ms. E. Abhinaya of 2nd BE Civil, Ms. T. C. Jayanti of 3rd BTech TT, Ms. S. Menon of 3rd BTech TT, Ms. P. Priyadarshini of 1st BE CSE, and Ms. S. Aarti Shakti of 1st BE Aero. Our men's handball team and women's table tennis team won the silver medal in the Anna University of Technology Coimbatore Inter-Zonal Tournament, and our women's cricket team and hockey team secured bronze medal in the Inter-Zonal tournaments. Many of our students were selected to represent the Europe zone in the Anna University of Technology Coimbatore Inter-Zonal tournaments held at various colleges and brought laurels to our institute. Mr. A. Muhammad Ashik of 4th BE Civil secured gold medal in the Anna University Inter-Zonal men's badminton team. Ms. S. Janani of 3rd BE E&I and Ms. K. Nivedita of 2nd BE CSE won the gold medal in women badminton Inter-Zonal tournament. Mr. P. Sri Vignesh of 4th BE ECE, Mr. Yashwant Kumar of 4th BE ECE, Mr. M. Guru Prasad of 4th BE E&I, and Mr. D. Pachayapan of 1st BE ECE bagged silver medal in men basketball tournament. Ms. D. Divya of 4th BE CSE, Ms. R. Muthupriya of 3rd BE CSE, Ms. P. Tyagachelvi of 3rd BE ECE, Ms. U.S. Saranya of 3rd BTech IT, and Ms. G. Nitya of 3rd BE CSE secured silver medal in the women ball badminton inter-zonal tournament. Ms. D. Roja Ramita of 4th BTech FT, Ms. S. Pavitra of 4th BE Tripoli, Ms. Vinita Nair of 4th BE Tripoli, and Ms. M. Priya of 4th MSc SC secured a silver medal in Anna University of Technology Coimbatore women basketball inter-zonal tournament. Mr. G. M. Raghavendra of 2nd BE CSE, Mr. V. Vignesh Raja of 1st BE Mechanical, Mr. M. Vetrivel of 1st BE Mechanical, and Mr. B. Aravind Sudan of 1st BE ECE won the bronze medal in the inter-zonal men's tennis tournament. This year, 10 students of our college represented university team for sports events. The players are Mr. D. Saranyan of 2nd BE Civil, who has represented in the men handball team, Mr. Sri Vignesh of 4th BE ECE in the men basketball team, Ms. M. Kausalya of 3rd BE ECE, Ms. E. Abhinaya of 2nd BE Civil, Ms. S. Kirtana of 2nd BE Civil, and Ms. S. Sweda Shrivanna of 1st BE Tripoli in the women hockey team. Ms. B. K. Aruna of 4th BE Civil and Ms. T. Ovia Margaret of 2nd BTech BT in the tennis team. Ms. S. Saumya of 2nd BE ECE in the women table tennis team, and Ms. Janani of 3rd BE E&I in the women badminton team. Ms. G. K. Saranya of 3rd BE ECE is a member of our Indian Sapatra team. She has participated and secured the bronze medal in the 26th Kings Cup Sapatra World Cup Championship 2011 held in Bangkok, Thailand during the month of September 2011. In the 37th Tamil Nadu State Shooting Championship held at Chennai Rifle Club, our college shooter Ms. A. Aarti Pilo of 4th BE Tripoli has secured 5 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals in various categories. Our college teams participated in almost all sports and games in men and women sections in the recently concluded Tamil Nadu Inter-Engineering Sports. Mr. Sanju of 4th BE ECE bagged the silver medal in the event dust to set 90 kg category. Our men's team of athletes performed well in the Euro District Athletic Meet. Mr. D. Saranyan of 2nd BE Civil bagged silver and bronze medals in triple jump and 100-meter sprint respectively. Mr. M. Prabhakaran of 2nd BE Aero won the silver medal, and Mr. V. Gugan of 3rd BTech PT won the bronze medal in high jump. I take pride in stating that our college hosted the Anna University of Technology Coimbatore Zone 5 Intercollegiate Women Table Tennis Tournament on 2nd October 2011. We have also organized the Anna University of Technology Coimbatore Interzonal Men Tennis Tournament in our college premises during 13th and 14th of October 2011. It's quite evident that performance of students has improved remarkably over the years. The intramural competitions were conducted in all the games and sports in men and women sections. Our students participated in all the games and sports with great enthusiasm and gaiety. At present, the college has very good men's and women's team in all games and sports. The sports activities are carried out regularly. Physical education classes, training, coaching camps and practice matches are conducted at periodical intervals which help our college teams to scale greater heights at the time of competitions. We have given equal emphasis to physical education along with the academic activities in our campus. All necessary facilities with latest technologies are available in the campus. On behalf of our Chief Executive, Principal, members of faculty, staff and students, I convey my sincere thanks to our respected and visionary chairman, Dr. S.V. Balasubramaniam and Director Dr. S.K. Sundaraman for providing us with ample facilities to carry out the activities of Department of Physical Education in a fitting and suitable manner. I conclude with confidence that the students will use the facilities provided by our management to the fullest extent and continue to bring more laurels to our institute in the years to come. Thank you.
Here, Superintendent of Police, Erode District, Director of the Institute, Principal, Faculty in charge of Sports and Games, Physical Directors, Guests, Special Invitees, Member of Faculty, Students, ladies and gentlemen. On this occasion of our 16th Sports Day, we have the august presence of Thiru S. Panneerselvam, IPS Superintendent of Police, Erode District. Mr. Panneerselvam, IPS, has completed his bachelor degree at Vasavi College, Erode. His thirst for knowledge made him earn his bachelor's degree in law, master's degree in history, sociology, histology, law and master's in business administration. With a high aim, he joined the Tamil Nadu Police in the year 1991. Mr. Panneerselvam is an officer known for his integrity and impartial nature. He has served his tenure at Kadalur, Kanyakumari, Tiruvannamalai and Anna Nagar, Chennai. On behalf of the management and on my own behalf, I extend a